Hey guys, it's Chi-Chi. So I'm doing the unboxing of my Neewer Ring Light. I don't even know how you say that, but I'm assuming it's like newer or newer. So I just took everything out of the main box because it comes in a bigger box. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what's in it. All right, so when you first get your package, at least mine anyway, was this big. And at first I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't realize it was that big. But inside of it comes 3 smaller boxes. So this is box 1 that contains your tripod, the actual ring light, and then a box of accessories, which it gives you like the orange shade or the white shade, the remote control, the 2 pieces of the electrical cord, and then it looks like it's also the different pieces to hold your phone or whatever device you decide to use. And then there's the box that has the actual ring light in it. All the LEDs, pretty cool. It does look like it's pretty easy to set up, so I'm gonna go ahead, try my best to set it up on my own, and I will be back to show you guys the result. So I kind of had a feeling this was going to be easy, and I'm just going to show you kind of step by step how I am putting it together. And no, I didn't read the instructions. Sorry. All right, so here we have the ring light, or the thingamabob number 1. You're going to, I'm guessing, lay that nice and flat to protect it. And then right here on your tripod, take it out of the bag, put it in the hole. That's what she said. We're gonna loosen this up just a little bit. One moment. All right, so you wanna loosen this one just enough to be able to slide her right on in, like that. Once it's in nice and snug, I'm assuming you can go ahead and tighten it. Also, if these instructions are really shoddy, like, I'm sorry, you probably shouldn't. You should actually read the instructions. I'm a terrible influence. This is just how I am doing it, basically trial and error. There is an instruction guide right over there, but my pride is not allowing me to read that for some reason today. So I will continue to set this up. Be right back. All right, so I just put everything together. Basically, like I said, you're going to loosen this right here, the bottom one. You're going to go ahead and slide in your tripod, put it nice and tight. This one here is to change the angle of the actual ring light. And then the other ones here are basically to control the height of your tripod. Why do I keep saying tripod? To control the height of your tripod. This is not on its highest setting, and it's already very high. I think maybe like 1.5 feet more and it would be touching the ceiling. And I don't think that I need it that high, but I will play with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it on. All right, so I just changed my camera setting to basically the fish eye view. It might make the room a little bit distorted, but it just gives you a better idea of just how bright this thing goes. So this is turning it on, brighter, and it gets super duper bright. So just to kind of show you from the other side, wow. It is literally like looking into the sun. I have no idea. I mean, obviously I don't think I would record with it that bright, but I have no idea how I would get my bluish green eyes used to this, because this light is no joke. So let me go ahead and put the covers on and see what happens. Hey guys, I'm back. So I have everything set up, and I'm just going to show you basically how it looks. So this is my regular lighting in my house. I just have a 5-lamp Medusa lamp, 5-arm Medusa lamp, however you would call that, in the corner, and that is pretty much it. Sometimes I have another Medusa lamp either on the side of me or behind me where it says love. There's a lamp on top of that, but I don't have it on right now. And then there's a light on from this Joelle because nobody ever turns the lights off in this house. So this is basically what you would see if I was recording at nighttime. If I wanted better quality lighting, I probably would have put the other Medusa lamp on my side. That way I have some light coming onto this side as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my Neewer light and show you how it is. So this is the lowest setting. As you can see now, you can start to see like the features of my face and everything. So this is what it would look like from further away. And then, oops. So I can get brighter, and it kind of changes basically the quality here. can probably see more wrinkles. And it also, like, my eyes cannot handle bright lights. Like, I hate driving at nighttime. So this is definitely gonna take some getting used to, but no pain, no gain, right? I'm also insanely pale. And with the white covers, it just made me look like a ghost. So this is actually with the orange covers. So I'm not even this dark in real life. I'm probably like as white as the box and the TV around behind me. I don't know, I mean, I definitely like it and I recommend it. The only thing that's gonna take some getting used to for me is definitely how bright it is. And I'm pretty sure it still goes brighter. Oh my God, I am dying. So this is maximum brightness, as you can see. It is pretty intense as long as I stay focused on the camera and not on the lights. Hopefully it's not going to kill my vision at all. When I close my eyes, I can definitely count like all the rings that I'm seeing. It's definitely very intense. I would not record, I'll have to check the quality obviously, but I don't think I would record with it this bright because I would probably become blind. I'm already pretty much blind without my contacts. But yeah, I'll definitely have to play with settings or something to find out where I like it. Oops, I kicked the tripod. I keep saying tripod, I don't know why. So I actually kind of like this. It makes my eyes pop, which almost never happens unless I'm like looking into the sunlight and like, you know, I could barely see anything, but it's less harsh than like trying to smile and the sun is just blazing right into your eyes. This is one of the lighter settings on the light, so I might actually record in this. That way you can see my face, you can see my eyes, and obviously I will have to wear cover up next time. I just have some eye makeup on. I look a little scary. Just to basically get used to the quality and play around with some configurations with the light and also with my own stuff. So I actually really recommend this. If you have any questions, I can try to answer it for you, or I can try to help you find an answer. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!
Lunes, yo me llamo Tarzán y la gente me dice ¿cómo es? El rey de la selva. Jane es perfecto, gracioso.